Hello, my readers, and welcome back to Fluffy's Reading Time.
Hello!
Um, Fluffy, you have a spider on your nose.
It's okay! Take me a picture!
Okay. Okay, say cheese.
Cheese!
Okay, I'm surprised how well you handle it, Fluffy.
Thank you! Now, can you take it off for me, please?
Yes, I'll take it off. There you go. Okay, that reminds me of today's silly book. There's a bird on your head by Mo Willems. Kiddos, stick around to read with us. I'm sure we'll have a good laugh.
There is a bird on your head. Mm?
Piggie! Is something on my head?
Yes, there is a bird on your head.
There is a bird on my head? Ah! Is there a bird on my head now?
No. Now there are two birds on your head.
Um, What are two birds doing on my head?
They are in love.
The birds on my head are in love?
They are lovebirds.
Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds?
They are making a nest.
Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why will two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head?
Mm, one, two, three. You have three eggs on your head.
I do not want three eggs on my head.
Then I have good news.
The eggs are gone.
The eggs are hatching.
Hatching! The eggs on my head are hatching!
They have hatched.
Now I have three baby chicks on my head.
And two birds and the nest.
I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and the nest on my head.
Where do you want them?
Somewhere else.
Why? Why not ask them to go somewhere else?
Ask them.
Ask them.
Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else?
No problem. Bye.
It worked! Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Hmm.
You are welcome. Ah,
Can you find Pigeon? Where is he? There he is. The end.
Did you notice how Piggy helped Gerald find a way to solve his problem? Very clever. And just by using his words, Gerald could get exactly what he wanted. Do you use the power of your kind words at home when you have any problem? Maybe we should all try it out this week. Thank you so much for tuning in today and reading with us. If you want to enjoy a new story every day and have a live reading session, follow us on Instagram at fluffies.rt. And if you want more information, send us a DM. Thank you so much. See you next time at Fluffy's Reading Time. Bye bye.